Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. So today's video is all about makeup. So today we are going to do full face of makeup using new products which I bought during this Nika Hot Pink Friday sale or something afterwards as well. Without wasting our time, let's start with the video and let's see whether the product are worth it or not. So first is skin prep. As I always say, skin prep is the key to amazing makeup. So I'm using my two current favorite product. One is this Bioderma moisturizer. Guys, I have really dry skin and in this winter तो पूछो ही मत इतना बुरा हाल हो रखा है. So I'm going to use this moisturizer, ठीक है? And after that I am using this Beauty of Joshin under eye cream. So let's do a skincare quickly. Okay, taking my under eye cream, I'm just taking this much and applying it all over my under eye so that they're also nicely hydrated and prepped. Okay, so now I am taking my Bioderma moisturizer to nicely moisturize my face, and I'm taking proper good amount of quantity and just applying it nicely over here as well so that my face and body is nicely moisturized. Now my skin prep is all done. Now moving towards our base. So first I'm trying out this Milani Prime Perfect Face Primer which claims to be hydrating primer, और ये मैंने miniature में खरीदा है. So apparently this is saying hydrating, and as I already told you, I am having literally dryness, like really bad dryness. I'm just taking over my hand, so it's in white color. And okay, so let's apply it over here. It does have not a very nice fragrance. Okay guys, so I have applied my primer. Honestly, this is really hydrating, first of all. Secondly, pores wise तो it has blood. Like I can just see मेरे जो यहाँ पे pores हैं, they are sort of reduced, and I liked it. I didn't like the fragrance although. So I would give it 8 out of 10. Okay guys, so moving forward, now we have to do our base. So for that, I am today taking Rimmel London Match Perfect Foundation, which is in the shade 102 Light Nude. This is how it looks. It's a glass bottle, but one thing I didn't liked it, this is very loose. So traveling का तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं बनता इसके साथ because of this packaging, or maybe this is in my product only fault जो मेरे को मिला है, ठीक है? Although इसका pump applicator, it's in like blue color. I am just taking over my hand and it claims to be hydrating. Okay, 24 hours moisturizer hydrating. I tried to use something which you can use in winter only. I have to over here. It's a thick consistency, and let's apply it nicely. So guys, I have applied my foundation. I look like a booth. Okay, so for blending this, I am taking this my Mars 4-in-1 travel brush. I am sure you all have seen it all over your either reels or YouTube shorts or something, because this is really popular. So it is 4-in-1. It has foundation brush, powder brush, and eyes inside it. So we are going to try it. How does it work? So I'm taking this foundation brush to blend my foundation, and let's see how does it blend. Okay guys, so I am done applying my foundation. So this is just amazing. It is so good. Like you can see my face is just glowing. It is super hydrated, and I think the primer was also very good because the application was very smooth. This is not full coverage. Like it took me two pumps to hide my acne marks and scars, but still you can see somewhere it is there. So it's sort of a light to medium coverage, and it's perfect for everyday use. After that, this brush, गाइस मार्स के तो वैसे ब्रश इतने अच्छे होते हैं, एंड दिस वर्क्स अमेजिंग, लाइक अमेजिंग 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 अमेजिंग. सो this would get a 9 out of 10, just in case it claims sort of 9 out of 10 because of the packaging as well. And this though 1000 out of 10. Okay, this is very good. Okay, guys, now moving forward, I am using this NYX concealer. It's the NYX Professional Bear With Me Concealer Serum. This is how the concealer looks. It's in the shade, just a second, it's in the shade Golden. Okay? This is a very viral product. It claims to be a very hydrating concealer, and yet, because it's a serum concealer, it is sort of a pump packaging, which is very unique and very new. Uh, so आप directly apply नहीं कर सकते. You have to take as a foundation only on your hand first. I'm just taking a little over here, and I'm just applying it. Now we are going to take our concealer brush and quickly just blend it. Guys, so I'm done blending my concealer, and oh my god, this is so good. Like, you can literally see it is super hydrating. You can just see the glow, the hydration. The foundation was also very hydrating, and this concealer is very nice. It's not super full coverage, it's sort of a medium coverage, perfect for every day. Like, it's the perfect concealer you could get for everyday makeup. So I would rate this 10 out of 10 because I just loved it. Now moving forward for a blush. So I'm using this Revlon Pro Matte blush, which is in the shade Striped. This is how the blush is, and this is the applicator. I just tested the shade, that how does the shade looks over my hand. And this is exactly like the Charlotte Tilbury one and the elf one. So let's see how it is. I'm taking, first I need to just open it. Yeah, I just open it, taking this product over my hands. Okay, so this is how the color is. Just warming up the product. And now I'm taking my brush for my blush and just adding it. Guys, just look, like, this is so pigmented. I cannot believe it. Like, it is super pigmented. Apply it all over your hand. If don't apply directly, because I can just see it. It is super duper pigmented. Guys, the blush is just amazing. So good. Just look at the pigment, the color, the glow, the hydration. I think this is so good. I would definitely give it 9 out of 10. 1 marks is deducted because of its very nice packaging, which is not so good. Okay. Baki, it's a very nice affordable brush. I don't know why people aren't like talking about this, but this is so good. I just love this. Okay, now I have applied all my liquid products, but before that, I'm using my setting spray. This is NYX Dewy Finish Fine Satin Setting Spray. This is how it looks, and I'm just going to use it so that all my products are set. So my face is set. It gave me such a nice dewy look. I honestly liked it. It's nice. It's nice. I would give it 9 out of 10. Yeah. You must be thinking she's saying 9, 8, everything is very good, but genuinely the products are very good. Till now, though, everything is nice. So now moving towards our compact or loose powders, I haven't bought any new. Okay? The latest I bought was the Charlotte Tilbury one, so I'm going to just use it only to set my concealer and my base. So I'm taking this brush, this another one, and just going to set it. Okay, guys, so I set my face with my compact, but the Charlotte Tilbury one, though, it's the best. It's the best. I just love this one. Now I am taking this Milani blush. This is the blush which I recently bought from the sale, and it's in the shade 14. Let's try it out. I'm taking this brush only, and okay, the it I think okay, it's a mixture of highlighter and pink shade, but it won't go even for the medium skin tone. Let's just see. Okay guys, so the blush is amazing. Like, it has a nice amount of pigment. It has highlighter in it. It honestly reminds me of that Rare Beauty blush, this one. So it's something like that, and it's perfect for the wedding season. It's just that this particular shade, 14-1, is sort of light, or it would wash out a lot of people. Like, it won't even suit medium skin tone, I just get it. But this is super pigmented, so if you're my skin tone or more light, it would go it for you. But apart from that, you need to buy another shade. But this blush formula is very good, so I would give it 8 out of 10. 2 marks deducted because of the washout thing. Okay, now moving towards our eyes. So first thing, we are going to do our brows. So for that, I have another NYX product, which is this NYX Stick It Thickening Brow Mascara. This is how it looks, and it's in the shade brunette. It's, I don't know if I am pronouncing it right, so sorry if I'm not. So it's a brow mascara. This is how it looks. uh this is perfect for, honestly, for everyday makeup look. I'm just removing the excess. Okay guys, so I'm taking this, and let's see how does it work. Okay, 1000 out of 10. This is a viral product, and now I get it. Just look at it. I used it very light handedly, by the way. I didn't like that very dark brows, but just look at the pigment, the shape. I think this is the only product you need for your brows, for your everyday look. Like, believe me, this is so good. I'm totally in love with this. And one thing is for sure, like, I'm telling you, this would go in my everyday makeup kit, because just look at it. It just literally set my brow. मतलब मेरी आईब्रोज चिपक चुकी है एक साथ, अब ये नहीं मूव करेंगी, कोई पिगमेंट नहीं आया. दिस इज सो गुड. ये तो खरीद ही लो. दिस इज so good, like, literally. Moving towards our eyeshadow, but before that, let me quickly prep my eyes. I have always told you that as you prep your face, it's very important to prep your eyes as well, so that you have a nice space for your eyeshadow. I am just taking the concealer only and applying it just a little. Now taking my Charlotte Tilbury compact and just setting our eyelids. Okay guys, I'm done prepping my eyes, and it's all done. So I am today taking this Revlon makeup palette. So this is how the palette is. I was using as a mirror till now, and this is of that stationery thing. You can just listen. And these are the colors. It has a very nice huge mirror, and these are the shade. The best thing I liked about this is that this shade name, it is so nice. For example, self-worth, gentle, soulmate, forgiveness, love, empathy. I just loved it. And the shade range is also very nice. I just loved it. Okay, now I am going to take these two brushes from that 4-in-1 only, and I am actually thinking to do a very simple eye look. Let's try it out. First, I'm taking in the shade. Okay, let's take this dark brown. It's in the shade Empathy. This is how the shade is. I'm taking this sort of a brush, just taking this and applying it over my eyelids. Okay, it's a bit pigmented. Guys, there is a fallout. I could see the fallout all over my lashes. Okay guys, so I have applied the shade Empathy over my eyelids, and there is fallout, like I can see fallout on my lashes. Now taking this fluffy brush, I am taking the shade Friendship, this shade, to just blend out, just removing the excess, to blend out the edges. Okay, now I am taking glitter shade, which is, I think I would take Confidence. This shade, which is this Confidence one, from my hand only. Just applying it over my lids. I didn't like that. Um, I didn't like this palette at all. Honestly, the fallout is a lot. First of all, though, it is over here. So if you are buying this palette, so make sure you first do your eye look, then your base. This Empathy one was, ठीक है, it was nice, but when I blended it with the shade Friendship, it didn't came out nicely. The glitters are average, like it's not up to the mark. I would give it 6 out of 10. Yeah, probably 6 out of 10. It's nice for beginners, but it's not the best. Like, I didn't like it a lot when I have those very nice palette, and it's not just about money. I have palettes from Sugar, from Swiss Beauty. They are like for literally 200 rupees, and they perform very, very, very much better than this palette, especially. I think there is this another palette from this collection only which performs very nice because this is very viral, but this is not up to the mark. Yeah. Now quickly I do my rest another eyes and coming back. Done with my eye look as well. Both the eyes. You can see this is how it came. I would even want to talk about this one. This is amazing, but this is not very good, I would say. I would give it a 7 out of 10. It does create some difficulty while blending. Like, थोड़ा सा application smooth नहीं है, but yeah, you could work with both of these brushes. So this Mars 4 in 1 to get 10 out of 10. Yeah, this is nice one. I think you can work with all these 4 brushes to do your complete face. Okay, now I'm done with my eye look, but before that I am thinking of applying mascara. So I haven't bought anything very new which I haven't tried, but the latest one is this L'Oreal Panorama mascara. I'm just quickly going to apply it. I was before thinking to apply liner, but I'm just thinking to just coat it with a simple mascara and give it a very simple yet easy look. Okay guys, so we are done with our eyes. This mascara is so good, like I just loved it. Now, last thing is our lips. So for lips, I am taking these 2 new products. First is this Revlon Color Suede Ink lipstick, which is in the shade 001 Gut Instinct. This is how it looks. And for lip liner, I'm using this BH Cosmetic lip liner in the shade Disclosure. This is how it looks. Now, quickly, we are going to do our lips as well. Okay, guys, done with our lips. Just look how gorgeous the lipstick is. Let's do a transfer proof test. Nothing. I just love both of these products, and this queen is so good, and this shade is also very nice. Let me show you guys, like on my hands. This is such an amazing shade. I think 100 out of 10 and 9 out of 10. I just love this as well. The application was very nice, so smooth, but I felt it a bit not long lasting. I just felt it that way, but I just loved it. The best thing I loved about it, after applying, I was able to blend it. So yeah, it's a very good thing about lip liner, and then on the top I would able to apply my lipstick. So overall, this lip combo is honestly 10 out of 10. Okay, guys, so we are done with our look. This is how the final look came. I just loved everything apart from that eyeshadow. But ठीक है, if you're a beginner, it's a nice, but उस प्राइस में आपको कुछ और बेटर मिल सकता है. I feel so, but overall the pigment was not up to the mark, I think, but ठीक है. But overall, I just love the look, the lipstick, the blush, the glow. Everything is super hydrating and super dewy. I just love each and every product. My favorite was the brow, um, the foundation, the concealer, and the lipsticks. I think everything was my favorite. ठीक है, सच्ची बता रही हूँ मैं आपको, everything was my favorite. That's it for the video, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And हाँ, comment में ज़रूर लिखना how was the video, and do you really felt these sort of videos are really entertaining, or should I make more such videos? If there is any other thing you would like to tell me, comment section is for you guys. Tata, bye bye. See you super soon with another video. Bye, guys.